Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with your phone ready. Telegram must be active there because you'll authenticate. Install Telegram Desktop for your OS, then open it and choose QR or SMS sign-in. Once done, grant permission to sync contacts and enable notifications so messages appear fast. This links your cloud chats instantly. Why this matters: you keep history and media synced across devices. If you prefer, enable desktop-specific permissions, like auto start so Telegram launches when you sign in to your computer. Once signed in, organize. Create folders, pin important chats, and use search filters to find messages quickly. This saves time. Make sure to enable two-step verification for account security and adjust privacy for phone number and last seen. Those settings protect you. Then configure download locations and auto-download rules so media doesn't overwhelm disk space. Also explore bots and saved messages to automate tasks. These features speed up workflows and keep your desktop experience efficient and private. Finish by customizing keyboard shortcuts and themes so Telegram feels natural. Set message previews and sound cues for priority alerts. Export key chats or move content to saved messages to back up important info. Keep the app updated to get fixes and new features. If something goes wrong, like no connection, check your internet, then verify proxy or firewall settings, restart the app, and reinstall as a last resort. This sequence resolves most desktop Telegram issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.